Hi guys, I'm doing a tag, get to know me tag. There are 35 questions, so please bear with me, there's a lot of questions. And I have half an hour to do this because my show comes on an hour, in half an hour, so let's get through this and hopefully my video does not stop. Okay, the first question was, are you named after anyone? No. My parents just like the name Christina. But my middle names, I have two, were named after somebody. So does that count? My full name is Christina Rose Valerie Tahir. Rose and Valerie are both from my grandmothers. So I was named after those two parts from my grandparents. But not much Christina. So number 2. When was the last time you cried? Today actually. I was reading a nice story. Was it today? Was it yesterday? No, I think it was yesterday. I was reading a really good story, and it was very emotional. Yeah, it was yesterday because it was a Power Rangers story. It was very emotional, and I just started bawling. I'm like, really? Third question: do you have any kids? No. If you were another person, would you be a friend of yourselves? Would I be a friend of myself if I was another person? It depends. Like it just depends. Because sometimes, like, if I was my friend of myself, I'll be in so much trouble, okay? But it depends on the day, depends what my mood is, and let's go from there. Do you use sarcasm a lot? No, not really. It depends on my mood and stuff, so I like this question. Will you ever bungee jump? No. I don't feel like dying. That's a death thing right there. So no, I will not bungee jump. But does the one that who lives in Toronto know of the place called Canada's Wonderland? There is an attraction there where you get lifted in the air and you get swingy. That's bungee jumping to me because I will never do that again. So that was like the scariest thing ever. I like number 7. What's your favorite cereal? My favorite cereal, as I think about it, is 2 options. Either Rice Krispies or Nesquik. I'm gonna say Rice Krispies. Those are my favorite because it sounds, so that's what I like. What's the first thing you notice about people? Are they friendly? Are they guarded? Are they kind-hearted? I was watching a video earlier. My friend could not say kind-hearted. It was funny. But then she fixed her mistake. So, what's your eye color? My eye color is blue. And sometimes people say I have a hint of green. And that scared the crap out of me. My dad had green eyes, I think. So I have a bit of greenish blue. My eyes are blue, but I have a hint of green. Scary movies or happy endings? Can they be both? Well, I don't like scary movies, but Harry Potter was scary on like the latest movies. So can I say both? Favorite smells: lavender, spring air, countryside air, rain. Don't ask me about the rain. I just like the smell of rain when it rains. I just like the smell. Summer or winter? I hate winter. It gets really cold where I live, so no, winter. Summer is my answer. I like the hot. I like going outside in the summer, walking around, wearing no jackets, t-shirt, pants, or shorts sometimes, or dresses. So, yeah, those are my favorite. I'm at 4 minutes already. Cool. Computer or television? Computer. I can watch anything on the computer. Yeah. television, computer. What's the furthest you've ever been from home? My furthest that I've been away from home is Florida, where I went to Disney World. Yeah, Disney World. Do you have any special talents? I know how to work the computer really well. I can help other people. That's my talent. I help people with the computers. If they have an issue, like in computer class, I have issues. People have issues. They call me. Which that would be happening anytime soon because last week was my last computer. Tuesday was my last computer week with my English class. I'm moving on soon. Crossing my fingers. Where were you born? I was born in Toronto. Yeah. I was born here. What are your hobbies? I like to read. I like to go on my computer. I like researching. I like to play video games. And yeah. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do have pets. I have 3 of them. Favorite movie? My favorite movie, as right now until Friday, and let's see how well that turns out, is 50 Shades Darker. I've watched that movie over 50 million times, so yeah. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings. I have 2 younger sisters. So, the next question is, what do you want to be when you grow up? Well, when I was smaller, I wanted to be a veterinarian because I liked animals, but when I grew older, I didn't know, I had to figure out what being a veterinarian would do, what I needed for the course, and I'm like, no. So I'm now working my way up to being an ECE assistant, teacher, helper. Who was my first best friend? Let's see, my first best friend. My first best friend was a girl named Kirsten Desiree. I've known her since I was 2. She used to live in our neighborhood. I would be with her all the time. Her mother was like my mother. I would get in trouble by her mother. So, yeah. How tall are you? I'm 5'4". Funniest moment throughout school. Funniest moments. I don't remember any funny moments throughout school. Can I say what happened school now? Let's see. Yesterday, our teacher was trying to say simplify. But instead of saying simplify, she said simplifer. So we all started laughing. She just rolled with it. She rolled with it because she made a mistake. She just rolled with it. It's now a new word in our math class. How many countries have you visited? 1. And it's north of us, south of us. The only country I visited is United States of America. It's United States. That's the only country I visited. I would like to visit other countries, but not right now due to the fact that there's a group out there that I don't feel like being killed with. So, what was your favorite or worst subject in high school? My favorite subject in school was drama. My worst subject was English or math. What's your favorite drink, animal, and perfume? My favorite drink would be a rum and coke. Favorite animal is a dolphin. And favorite perfume? Don't have a favorite perfume. I barely wear perfume. What would you name your children? What would I name my children? Oh, I don't want to think that far. I like to name Melissa. Jordan for a girl. And for boys is Tyler. Maybe Benjamin. So, when I have children, I will let you know what I name the children. Okay? What sports do you play or have you played? I played softball, basketball, soccer, and hockey. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? This is the fun part because I have so many, but I'm going to name 3. Nope, I named 5. So there's Ellie and Jared. I started watching them out of random. I was just looking, and when they first posted about their infidelity, when they're having trouble having children, I just watched them because they look like a nice people. Watch them on YouTube, and they saw daily vlogging. I'm like, yes. I'd see more of their cute child Jackson at the time, and then they had Calvin. Calvin looks like Jackson. And then I started watching Daily Bumps. And then they had Oliver. Oliver is adorable. Now they have Finley. And then I watched Colin and Katie. Here's the third one. They have cute children. Macy Gaines and Bra Brooks. And then I like to watch Zoella. And what's Alfie's name? Pointless Games or something like that. Alfie Days. So those are my favorite YouTubers that I watch. How many boyfriends have you had? I've had 3. No, I'm gonna taste 2. 2. 1. Okay. You're probably gonna say, "Oh, that's not a boyfriend." I had a boyfriend when I was in grade 1. Okay, 1. It was only at school thing because we were little kids. We were